How to enable autoplay on Disney Plus. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily turn on the autoplay option on Disney Plus. First off, head over to your web browser. Once you open up your browser, just go ahead and click on the search bar and then search for Disney Plus. So once you search for Disney Plus, it will show up. Just go ahead and open it up. And once your Disney Plus is open, all you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon at the top right to sign into your account. If you aren't prompted to log in, you can just tap there to log into your account. So simply go ahead and tap on the profile icon, and there you'll find the edit profile option. Head over there, and then your profiles will be visible on your screen. Once you click on any one of your profile where you want to turn on autoplay, you'll find the pencil icon to edit its icon. Then click on it. Now, right below the profile name, you'll find playback and language settings. And right below that, you'll have the autoplay option. So all you have to do is toggle that button on, and enabling autoplay means the next video in a series will play automatically. So simply go ahead and click on it, and it will say updated right at the bottom of your screen, and you should be good to go. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.